Results for the Bangladesh parliamentary elections is finally out, and Tariq Rahman-led BNP has scored a landslide victory. Right outside Tariq Rahman's office, the mood is jubilant and celebratory, with party workers queuing up since this afternoon, since this Friday afternoon, to catch a glimpse of their beloved leader. Mr. Rahman, of course, came out for once and visited the nearby mosque to attend the Friday prayers, and since then he is holed up inside this office. This, of course, is his political office in Gulshan area of Dhaka, and you can see huge number of BNP supporters have gathered here, even as winning candidates, top candidates of the BNP, one by one make a beeline to meet him. We've seen several top BNP leaders slowly coming in here to meet Tariq Rahman, and we are expecting that Mr. Rahman will be addressing the media sometime today and sharing his message to the country. But the sense on the ground, of course, is jubilant. However, there is a clear diktat from the BNP that no celebratory procession should be taken out. Instead, the BNP has asked its cadres to join the Friday prayers across Bangladesh and pray in the memory of late Khaleda Zia, the former chairperson of the BNP. So, despite the historic and landslide victory, the BNP leadership has asked its cadres to remain restrained, and that is something which is very, very important given the kind of soaring political temperatures that we have seen in the past couple of weeks in the run-up to the election. And the BNP, of course, all set to take oath. In fact, Tariq Rahman is all set to take oath as the new Prime Minister of Bangladesh in this keenly contested and watched historic elections in the country. This is Indrajit reporting for India Today in Dhaka.